So first impressions, the bike does feel a little different because it's a fed bike. So when you ride first time, you will definitely feel it slightly different. Front is little more heavier and little bit more different you will feel compared to naked bikes. Now I know why people buy the 220, because it gives a very different feeling. I can feel it that I'm feeling as if I'm riding a very big bike. 220cc. Mirrors are also different because normally you will see it's on the handle, but here it's on the visor. And we'll be stopping here. Horn is nice. Sir, new vehicle, test ride vehicle. Thank you. So the traffic police stopped me and he asked for my license. I don't know why he stopped. Maybe he thought that I am riding a bike without the number plate, with like the distance has been more. Then he saw just 2.7 kilometers, so he left. Checked my license, I left. So anyways, this is the Pulsar 220F. So I think so I will make this a separate video. So if you want to watch the review of this Pulsar 220F, then the link will be in the description or in the comment section below. And comment below if sometime you have bought a new vehicle and traffic police has stopped you on the first day itself. Well, it has happened with me. Well, this is a test ride vehicle and I'm making a review video of this. So anyways, but this is a new bike. So yeah, if you like this video, somewhat entertaining and somewhat funny, so do hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.